Welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how can we get started with MailChimp. Let's get started. Once you open the MailChimp, you will get this page here. You have to click on the Start Free Trial and you just can click on the Sign Up for free if you want it free. Now you have to fill this information, add your email here. Now you have to add your user password. Now you have to add your password here. Now you can see I don't want to receive emails about MailChimp and related Intuit product and feature updates, marketing best practices and promotions from MailChimp. So if you don't want, then you have to tick it and now click on the sign up option. Now you have to check your email as they have sent a message to you. Now you have to open your Gmail, click on open Gmail. Now you can see we have received a MailChimp client message, click on this. Now click on activate account. You will get this page here. You have to add your first name and last name, then business name, and you have to add your phone number here. Click on next. You have to add your address here. Address 2 is optional and you have to add city here. Now add a province. Now add a postal address. And you can also add your country. Click on next. You can skip this. This is also you can skip. You can also skip this. And here, how do you sell to your customers? So you can choose any option from here and just click on the next option. And you can skip this. And how should we stay in touch? MailChimp presents or product highlights. Choose any option and click on the next option. Now you can see you have many options here: premium, standard, essential, and free. So we are choosing here free, continue free. Now click on let's go. So you can see you are in the MailChimp app now. You can use it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.